Hi guys, welcome back. It's been a minute. Today we are diving into a delicious and healthy gluten-free oat cake that is packed with nutrients and made with simple ingredients. This cake is not only gluten-free but also loaded with omega-3 fatty acids from chia and flax seeds, making it a perfect option for a filling breakfast or snack, especially if you're trying to lose weight. I make content like this around health and wellness, so please subscribe if you enjoy it. And to all my new and returning subscribers, you are my sugar, spice, and everything nice. So here are all the ingredients that we will need. We'll need 2 cups of rolled oats, 2 eggs, a quarter cup vegetable oil, any vegetable oil of choice. I use sunflower oil. I also used 1 cup of chopped pineapples, a quarter cup of honey or sugar if you prefer, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a drop of vanilla essence for flavor, which is optional. So I started by blending the oats into a powder, into a flour for about 5 minutes. I used my blender, but if you have a milling jar, it will also work perfectly. A blender is a great option, especially if you're making a bigger batch. Just pause and stir if need be. Then into a mixing bowl, add in your eggs and whisk thoroughly. Then I also added in the rest of the ingredients. It doesn't matter in what order, just add them in and stir the mixture to combine everything together. The butter should be medium in consistency. It should not be too thin, too runny, and it should not be too thick either. Just a medium consistency, that's just a good consistency. Now, when the batter is ready, guys, just dust your baking dish with some flour and transfer the batter into your baking tray. I garnished mine with some leftover pineapples, and then I sprinkled some chia seeds and flax seeds for that added nutritious value, since they both contain omega-3. I then went on to bake my healthy oat cake in my preheated oven for about 30 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius or 365 degrees Fahrenheit until it was ready. You should see a light brown color on the oat cake, on the top coating of the cake, to ensure it's ready. Also, if you place a fork and it comes out clean, your cake should be ready. If not, just pop it back real quick in the oven for an additional 5 minutes until it is ready. And remember to cool it before consuming it. And there you have it, guys, a simple, healthy, gluten-free oat cake, which is a perfect option for breakfast, a midday snack, or even a healthy dessert snack. I hope you enjoy making it. And don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, to subscribe. Guys, I'm on the road to 500 subscribers, so do subscribe and hit that notification bell for more healthy recipes. Thank you for watching. See you on my next one.